Hello guys, welcome back again. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show to you how to add a broken TV or TV error transition on your video using Capcut application. So the way to create it, first you need to open the Capcut and then import a video that you want to add this transition. And the next step, you just need to follow this guide until the end of the clip. Okay, now the first thing, I already prepared a video, this one, and I'm going to add a transition of color changing between these two videos. The first one on this clip, I already split it before like this, and now click the first clip, go to adjust like this, and I'm going to decrease the brightness from it like this and go to the saturation because I'm going to create it. I'm going to make it onto black and white clip, kind of like this. And as you can see, it's already changing into black and white. Now the next step is to add the transition of a broken TV. You just need to click the overlay and click this add overlay and go to library, this one, and just scroll up like this until you found this kind of look like clip, this one, and click it, adding it to the page like this. And now you just need to positioning it onto the exact position that you want, kind of like this. And the next step, because it's just only 1 second, you can follow this tutorial to make it have a longer duration by click this freeze button and delete the rest of the clip, kind of like this. And as you can see, now we have a longer time of the clip, and I think I would like to cut it like this, and on this side too, onto this position. Okay, now as you can see, it's already have this transition, but it still look like not that kind of interest. So the way to create it much more interesting is just by click the overlay clip like this, swipe left your toolbar until you found effect button, click it, go to video effect, and here on the search bar you just need to type TV like this and search it. Now the effect that you want to add onto the overlay clip is just this one, bad TV, and go back, and as you can see, it's already added to the overlay clip. Now the next step, I'm going to insert an effect onto this first clip, and now the way to do that, go to your main toolbar, add an effect, go to video effect, and as same as before, click the search bar and type TV. And now the next thing that you need to add onto your next clip is just same clip, maybe like the overlay clip like this. Okay, click the check button, and as you can see, now it's already have this match effect, and now I'm going to add a close effect onto it. So go to your video effect again, click the search bar and add this TV off. You just need to use this free effect, you don't need to add a pro effect onto it. And now positioning it like this and split the clip. Now you can delete the rest of the clip. Okay, as you can see, now when it's done, the final result of it will be look like this. Okay, and that's the way to create it. What do you think? Is it look interesting or no? And if you're not satisfied with this result, you can improvise it by yourself. And that's the way to create it and do that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.